Hi friends, this is Vizya. Welcome to our India in Details YouTube channel. In this video, we can discuss about what is poverty and how to measure it and what are the causes of poverty and what are the steps to taken by Indian government eradicate poverty from India. Poverty is the worst form of violence, said by Mahatma Gandhi. We can define poverty as the condition where the basic needs of a family like food, shelter, clothing, and education are not fulfilled. It can lead to other problems like poor literacy, unemployment, malnutrition, etc. A poor person is not able to get education due to lack of money and therefore remains unemployed. An unemployed person is not able to buy enough and nutritious food for his family and their health decline. A weak person lacks the energy required for the job. A jobless person remains poor only. Thus, we can say that poverty is the root cause of other problems. How poverty is measured? For measuring poverty, United Nations have devised two measures of poverty. First one is absolute poverty, second one is relative poverty. Absolute poverty is used to measure poverty in developing countries like India. Relative poverty is used to measure poverty in developed countries like the USA. In absolute poverty, a line based on the minimum level of income has been created and is called a poverty line. If per day income of a family is below this line, then it is poor or below the poverty line. If per day income of a family is above this level, then it is non-poor or above the poverty line. What are the main causes of poverty? According to the Nobel Prize winner South African leader Nelson Mandela, poverty is not natural, it is man-made. The above statement is true as the cause of poverty are generally man-made. There are various causes of poverty, but the most important is population. Rising population is putting the burden on the resources and budget of countries. Governments are finding difficult to provide food, shelter and employment to the rising population. The other causes are lack of education, war, natural disasters, lack of employment, lack of infrastructure, political instability, etc. For instance, lack of employment opportunities makes a person jobless and he is not able to earn enough money to fulfill the basic necessities of his family and becomes poor. Lack of education compels a person for less paying jobs and it makes him poorer. Lack of infrastructure means there are no industries, banks, etc. in country, resulting in lack of employment opportunities. Natural disasters like flood, earthquakes also contribute to poverty. In some countries, especially African countries like Somalia, a long period of civil war has made poverty widespread. This is because all the resources and money is being spent in war instead of public welfare. Countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, etc. are prone to natural disasters like cyclone, etc. These disasters occur every year causing poverty to rise. What are the effects of poverty? Poverty affects the life of a poor family. A poor person is not able to take proper food and nutritious and his capacity to work reduces. Reduced capacity to work further reduces his income, making him poorer. Children from poor family never get proper schooling and proper nutrition. They have to work to support their family and this destroys their childhood. Some of them may also involve in crimes like theft, murder, robbery, etc. A poor person remains uneducated and is forced to live under unhygienic conditions in slum. There are no proper sanitation and drinking water facility in slums and he falls ill often and his health become weak. A poor person generally dies an early death. So all social evils are related to poverty. Government schemes to remove poverty. The government of India also took several measures to eradicate poverty from India. Some of them are creating employment opportunities, controlling population, etc. In India, about 55% of the population is still dependent on agriculture for its livelihood. Government has taken a certain measure to promote agriculture in India. The government constructed certain dams and canals in our country to provide easy availability of water for irrigation. Government has also taken steps for the cheap availability of seeds and farming equipment to promote agriculture. Government is also promoting farming of cash crops like cotton instead of food crops. In cities, the government is promoting industrialization to create more jobs. Governments also opened ration shops. Other measures including providing free compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age, scholarships to deserving students from a uh, poor background, and providing subsidy loans to houses for poor people, etc. Poverty is a social evil. We can also contribute to control it. For example, we can simply donate old clothes to poor people. We can also sponsor the education of a poor child, or we can utilize our free time by teaching poor students. Remember, before wasting food, somebody is still sleeping hungry. Thanks for watching.